With the holiday shopping season right around the corner, there's never been a better time to prep to make sure that you are making the most of the holiday shopping season with the Amazon Influencer Program. My name is Kathleen Coble, and if you're new to this channel, I talk all about how to earn more money in less time using the Amazon Influencer Program. Today, I'm specifically going to be talking about three key things that I do every single year before holiday shopping really kicks off and gets started. Whether you're new to the Amazon Influencer Program or you've been doing this for a year, 2 years, 3 years or more, like I have, you must know that Q4, especially when it comes time to November and December, could potentially be the highest earning months that you're going to see all year. That's why I want to make sure to give you the best information possible to help you prep for these critical months of earning with the Amazon Influencer Program. So, whether you're getting started or you've been doing this for a while, you want to learn more, I do recommend checking out my completely free masterclass. I'll have a link right down here below, and that's going to help you not only learn how to get in, but more importantly, how to scale your earnings so that you can truly start earning passive income and reach those income goals that you've been hoping to achieve as an Amazon influencer. So, make sure you check out the free masterclass if you haven't already. Okay, let's dive in. Let's chat about the top three key prep steps in order to maximize your holiday earnings. Okay, the first thing I want you to do, and this is so incredibly critical, and I really recommend you do this before holiday shopping season, before Amazon Prime Day, before each kind of season change. But what you really should be doing, and what I do every single time, is I assess my best sellers from the same time last year. So, what were my top selling items and my best performing videos from November and December from last year? And I always make sure to download my stats every single month. If you don't do that, you should do that every single month so that you have that data to then refer to when it comes time for next year, right? So if you're like, well, I wasn't in the Amazon influencer program last November, December, what do I do? I want you to do the same exact thing with the last 30 or 60 days of your earnings. It's not going to be completely representative, but at least you have some sort of data that you can use. But the best way to learn about what's worked and where you can really focus your efforts in the smallest amount of time is to go look at your past analytics. Again, what were your best sellers for the holiday season last year? One other thing, too, kind of along with that, kind of along with this first step here, is I want you to go check on any holiday seasonal items. Okay. I have people in my Influence and Earn program who earn very well, especially around the holiday season, because they're really big into things like Christmas trees, holiday decorations, and kids' toys and games, right? These are great things that you should be checking on. If you have any products around your house, make videos for those. If you have any videos on Amazon already, make sure that those videos are on the product listing page. And if they're not, well, that brings me to number two. Find out whether your videos are still placed on Amazon or not, right? So whether you're looking at your data from last year or from the last 30 to 60 days, or maybe you're just looking at those seasonal items that you've just created, you want to go and make sure that your videos that performed the best for you last year or 60 days ago are still on the product listing page. That is the best possible place where they can be placed. It is your top earning potential placement, really, on Amazon. So if your product videos are already on the product page, that's fantastic. You don't really have to do anything. You kind of just want to leave those alone, right? But you can still take an extra action step and you can create a second video. Now I want to clarify because you cannot upload a duplicate video, right? So you can't upload the same video twice to Amazon. That is definitely a no-no with the terms of service. They don't allow it. It will get rejected. However, what you can do is create an updated video. You can go back and say, hey, 1 year later, this Christmas tree is standing strong, right? 1 year later, this is still my kids' favorite game and a great holiday toy or gift idea. Having that second video is going to help you maximize your earnings potential for that particular product. Now, listen, if your video is not still on the product listing page when you go and check it out, that's okay. There's a couple things you can do. First off, you can do a little tweak, right? You can either change the title around a little bit or you can test a new thumbnail. Either one of these is going to re-trigger Amazon's review process once you save with the changes. And sometimes that old video will get placed on the product listing page again in order for Amazon to be able to test whether they want to keep it there or not. If that doesn't work, just make a new video. If it was something that sold very well last year or in the recent 30 to 60 days, there's a good chance that it's going to sell really well this year. So I do recommend making that second video for it. A new updated video, take a different angle. If you did a horizontal, maybe do a vertical, change it up a little bit, but there's no harm in having two different videos on a product listing page for an item that has sold well for you in the past. All right, so those are the first two key steps to prep for maximizing your holiday sales, okay? The third key prep step that I want you to do and really take seriously is I want you to be proactive and look through Amazon's deals and promotional opportunities. As an Amazon influencer, you have access to data that the regular Amazon customer does not have. And sometimes Amazon will tell us when there are upcoming deals and promotions. You cannot share this information about what those deals are, but they do this in order to help us prep our content so that when those items go on sale, we have the content ready, or it's already been submitted, or even better, it's already living live on Amazon. These scheduled deals from Amazon and these promotional coupons and things that they give us to use are really invaluable. You can use these as a guide to creating your content both on Amazon and especially to help you maximize your efforts off Amazon, which includes your YouTube channel, your social media handles, and your blog if you have one. So make sure you check out those upcoming deals. Do not share them. However, use them to prep your content to make sure that you're maximizing your holiday earnings this season. All right, so those are my three top prep steps that I do every single year as the holiday season is approaching. So let's review real quick. Number one, I want you to assess your best selling products as well as your top performing videos from last year. It may be hard if you haven't saved the video information, but you can definitely go back and see what were the top performing products for you that earned for you last year at this time, and make sure that you are, number two, checking to make sure they're still on the product page, and if they are not, do a little tweak. But you should always really be making that second video for those top performing products, especially around the holiday season. And number three, make sure that you are checking your emails from Amazon, that you are utilizing those key scheduled deals and items that they give us in secret, right? Don't share them. But you can use the upcoming promotional and holiday deals guide within Amazon to help prep your content both on-site and off-site with Amazon. Now, if this video has been helpful, I highly recommend that you check out my program called Influence and Earn. It is an all-inclusive program particularly made for you as an Amazon influencer if you want to scale your earnings with this program. It'll not only help you make more money in less time, but it's also going to give you a community full of like-minded people where you can not only ask around for ideas, ask questions, but you'll also be able to get your questions answered both by the community and in our live Q&A calls. And one other thing that we really pride ourselves on in Influence and Earn is helping you make sure that you're staying on the up and up with all the rules and regulations. Amazon has updated their terms of service and their operating agreement multiple times over the last few months. And so we're always talking about that stuff with the members in Influence and Earn. And if you want to make sure that you are in the know and that you're able to scale your earnings as much as possible, I do recommend checking out the program Influence and Earn. We will be doing a sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So if you're watching this video around that time, make sure you click on the link to learn more, and especially so you can get that sale price. All right, now go prep your holiday content, and I can't wait to hear about how much you're able to earn during this holiday season. See you next time.